Hello everyone, welcome to Ben Do Videos. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you 5 of the best movie and TV streaming websites. So at number 1 is moviemafia.net, and this website is one of my favourites mainly because of the search bar. It's completely mobile responsive and tablet responsive, and when you look down the page it comes with the page search bar. So even if you're a mobile device or tablet device, scroll down, you don't have to scroll back to the top of the page or click any buttons. You can just simply click in the search box and type your movie or TV show. Not only that, it also has download links available, so click a movie. It's rather slow, probably because of the amount of traffic it gets. It's a very popular website. I did contact them regarding the TV shows because a lot of TV shows are not available. They did say they're working on updating all the TV shows so they have all the recent episodes, etc. But if you scroll down here, as you can see, pop up. As you can see, it has the download link here. So if you click that, and it will redirect you to the source or host or whatever of the movie, and you can either share it, embed it or whatever in your website, and that's that. But yeah, this is a very good website, definitely my number 1. It has loads of movies, loads of content. For example, let's type in, just click on Avengers. It has lots of sources. It's got 720p BR, Blu-ray, it's got 1080p, loads of different sources, and download links obviously. So if one, for example, if say this one doesn't work, you can always click this one and that one will work. So, but they do work and they're very good. So number 2 is Movie Jesus, and again, great website. It's got click on movies here. It's got featured movies. It's got lots of movies and TV shows too. And again, with Movie Mafia, same as Movie Mafia, it has the download links. If you scroll down here, as you can see, it has the download link available, quality, language, etc. I did contact them regarding, I mean, Movie Mafia has a lot more content than Movie Jesus, but they also said they're working on updating most of the content. But a lot of movie websites are like this. They're exactly the same. So yeah. I guess it's difficult to get the content out there, but they have loads of movies available from all different kinds of years, etc. Number 3 is ineedamovie.org. This website is very slow. I do like it. But the only downfall is it's very, very slow. And another downfall is it doesn't have download links, but you can always watch movies and TV shows which are available. Again, this website has more movies than TV shows, sadly. Haven't really found a TV show website which has all the TV shows. But yeah, this is once again another great website. Only downfall I don't like is the search box. It's got too much options. But yeah, it's got TV shows available as well. I've just noticed it only has genres, it doesn't have the years, which is a shame. But yeah, this is another great website. As you can see, it's down here, it says videos 847. I contacted Movie Mafia and Movie Jesus. Movie Mafia, they said they've got over 3,000 movies. And Movie Jesus, I didn't ask them, but they don't have many at the moment. That's how much they have, not many at all. But yeah, I need a movie. And by the way, all these links will be in the description. And the 4th website is Download Any Movie. This is a great website. The only problem with this is it's got lots of options, but the only problem with this is it's quite a rubbish template. It's quite old school, I guess. But yeah, they've got loads of movies. I like the categories, so as you can see it says latest featured movies. So these are the latest HD cam movies. You got the latest HD featured movies, the latest HD ones. is A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood, and then you've got recently added movies down here. And like I said, they've got lots of options. So they've got updated movies, genres, countries, even years, and they've also got actors. But yeah, they've got many ads, which is really annoying. Problem with this website is it's not mobile responsive, so this is more for desktop PC or Mac. They've also got Bollywood movies, lots of Bollywood movies, and okay, so it's it's not available. I never actually realised that was there. Hollywood, yeah, Hollywood's available. But yeah, lots of ads, which is a shame. And the next one is, of course, the most popular, most well known, is YTS, and this is the recent domain it's available one, which is .mx. This, you can't watch movies with this, but you can download movies or like use the torrents. It's actually a torrent website, so if I type in Avengers Endgame, as you can see here, 720p Blu-ray or 1080p Blu-ray. This is a great website if you want to download, or download torrents and all that kind of things. But yeah, that's my video tutorial, quick tutorial on my personal favourite movie sites and TV show sites. But Movie Mafia is by far my favourite. It's very simple. It's a really simple interface, really clean interface. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped. If you want any more videos in the future, please let me know in the comments below. And once again, all these links for these websites will be in the description. Thanks for watching.